In this quick video, I'll show you how to delete all mails in Gmail at once. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. So to delete emails, all we can do is we can select these emails by simply clicking on this box. I can select these emails and then I can simply delete it, but it will take forever to select all emails and then delete all emails. So all we can do is we can simply click on this box which is select all box, then we can delete these emails, but it will only select the emails which are present on your first page, but it won't delete the emails which are present on the second page, third page and so on. Those pages will not be selected here. So to select all pages, all we need to do is go to more and then go to all mail. Here you can see every page's emails, so that you can simply select all emails at once. So to select every email, we just need to click here and then click on delete. It will delete every page's email present on your Gmail account. So this is how you can delete all emails at once. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching.